Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by making sure your device meets basic requirements. Android 8, 0 or newer and about 100 MB free. Once done, download the Adguard APK or use a trusted App Store alternative. This avoids play restrictions. You must allow installation from unknown sources for that installer, then grant storage permission so the APK can install. After tapping Install, don't open it yet. Pause and double-check permissions. That makes later setup smoother and prevents permission errors during first run. Now open Adguard and accept the EULA. You'll be guided through permission prompts, follow them. Choose protection types, ad blocking, tracker blocking, and enable HTTPS filtering for better coverage. When prompted, pick recommended filter lists and immediately update them so you have the latest rules. You'll also configure per app filtering here. Make sure critical apps are allowed or filtered as you prefer. Once filters are active, test by visiting a site that had ads before to confirm blocking works. Finish by enabling Adguard's local VPN mode to apply blocking across the system. You'll see a confirmation dialog, allow it. Next, adjust per app rules, add exceptions, or whitelist apps that need full network access, and create a settings backup to restore later. Make sure battery optimization won't kill Adguard. Exclude it if needed. If something goes wrong, for example, no internet or no blocking, restart your device, check VPN permission, and re-enable the VPN. That resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.